Nestled deep within a cradle of mountains, the village of Martalli once bloomed like a hidden paradise. Every monsoon, the skies opened with generosity. Mist curled around the peaks like silk. Birds filled the air with songs. The fields turned into oceans of green, and every tree, bamboo, teak, mango stood tall like guardians of heaven. Life moved with the rhythm of the rain. The villagers sowed their crops, finger millet, corn, groundnut, pearl millet, and watched them dance under the cloudy skies. Small houses with red-tiled roofs dotted the valley, blending into nature like quiet prayers. But then, something changed. The clouds stopped visiting. The mist stopped kissing the mountains. The songs of the birds faded, some flew away, others didn't survive. The fields cracked. Wells dried. People waited. They looked to the sky with hope, but the sky looked away. Climate change had arrived, silently and cruelly. The once generous monsoon now came late or not at all. And Martalli, which had lived for centuries in harmony with the rain, began to break. Just 26 kilometers away, the mighty Kaveri River flowed, feeding millions across Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Yet, Martalli had never tasted even a drop. Still, they pressed on. Not with complaints, but with action.
மதனபாளையம், ஜல்லிபாளையம் உள்ளிட்ட பகுதிகளில் அருமையான வறட்சி நிலவுவதால் காவிரி ನೀரை ಕೊಂಡು குளம் ಕುಟ್ಟೆகளை ನಿರಪ ವಲಿಯುತ್ತಿ
ಮಾರ್ಟಾಡಿ ನಾರ್ರೋಡ್ ಕೌದಳ್ಳಿ ಕುರಟ್ಟಿ ಹೊಸೂರು ಮಾರ್ಗವಾಗಿ ರೈತರು ಬೈಕ್ ರ್ಯಾಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಮಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆ ದಂಟಳಿ ಸಮೀಪ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ರೈತರನ್ನ ತಡೆದು ಮನವೊಲಿಸುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದಾದರು.
எங்களுக்கு குடிக்க தண்ணி முக்கியமே வேணும். அந்த தண்ணியை வந்துட்டு எங்க கவர்மெண்ட், காங்கிரஸ் கவர்மெண்ட் இது பண்ணணும்.
Once a heaven, now on the brink of becoming a graveyard, Martalli found strength in unity. They knew this fight wasn't just for them, it was for the unborn, for the birds yet to return, for the soil that still held memory. And so, under a sun that once felt merciless, they planted seeds of hope. Because Martalli may be dry, but it will never be defeated.